Hey there, this is Chuck Marshall, and if you've ever wondered if there's really a true, honest, legitimate way you can earn an income working from home online without having to spend a dime out of your pocket to do it, I have something really cool I'd like to share with you. You see, I recently found something that is a true zero out-of-pocket cost, which means there's no startup fees, there's no sign-up fees, there's no website fees, there's no hidden fees, there's no catches where you come in for free then have to pay a fee to upgrade later. There's absolutely no cost out of your pocket whatsoever. But it also comes with a system that's easy for an average person from any background or any ability to plug into and duplicate so you can start generating results and start getting paid as soon as tomorrow. Now, you also get the ability to build long-term wealth with an established company, but this is not some multi-level marketing business, and this isn't some home-based business opportunity where you have to bug your family and friends or go to meetings or try to recruit people. There's no products to stock or ship or sell, but you still get the ability to earn several $100s up to $1,000 a day or more right from the comfort of your own home or wherever you'd like to work. All you have to have is just access to a computer and the internet. And I'd love to share this information with you. Again, it's absolutely free. It's no cost to you whatsoever to be involved in this. So to get the information and the details, just fill out the form you see on this webpage with your name and email and phone number, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for stopping by.